Hi, my name is Brian Conforti and I'm a product manager here at PureLink. In today's Media Access tutorial, we'll be showing you how to navigate the EDID tab. Media Access can automatically scale each output to match the EDID from the connected displays. But if the application requires it, we can also manually manage the EDID settings here in the EDID tab. To change the EDID information for one or more of the inputs, select Internal at the top, select the desired resolution from the list, select the inputs you would like to change, and press Enter. Media Access will confirm that it made the desired change and press OK. Set All will select all inputs, and Clear Channel will clear all selections. To set the EDID information from a display to one or more inputs, select External, then select the output for display's EDID information you would like to use, select the inputs you want to apply this EDID information to, and select Enter. Media Access will confirm that it made the desired change and press OK. Set All will select all inputs, and Clear Channel will clear all selections. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website at www.purelink.av.com. Thank you.